Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Isabella's Kitchen. So today is a bonus episode because tomorrow we're making a very special one where we think you're going to like what we're making. So today is in preparation for that video. So today we're going to be making some spooky donut holes. Now if you check out the first ever video that we made donuts, and we'll put the recipe in the description for this video and put a link up here and at the end of the video. Now the one thing that any baker will know who's ever made ring donuts is that the one thing you have set aside is your donut holes. Now what a lot of bakers will do is they'll give out the ring donuts to their friends and family and they'll eat all of the donut holes themselves. Either that or they'll put it back into the dough, roll it out again and make some real more ring donuts. But we like to make some more use out of them, especially since it's Halloween. So we're going to be turning these donut holes into spooky pumpkins and spooky eyeballs, and we're going to be using them in tomorrow's episode, and we can't wait to show you what we're making. So we fast forwarded to this stage. We've already made the donuts. Like I say, we've already made the donut episode. Just check out that episode and you'll see exactly how it's done. We'll put the recipe in the description just so you've got it at hand while you're watching this episode as well. So the way we're going to make them into eyeballs and pumpkins, we've made batch of buttercream frosting. So we've got our plain buttercream frosting, we've got our orange buttercream frosting, we've got our black buttercream frosting, we've got our green buttercream frosting. So the way that we made the buttercream frosting is a base of 4 cups of icing sugar and 1 cup of room temperature butter. Once you've mixed it all together and creamed those sugars, you just want to add in as much food colouring as you need for it to turn into obviously the colour you want to use it. With the black one, it's a little bit harder to make pure black, so we added some cocoa powder just to make it a little bit dark because it was just turning out a great colour. So as you can see, absolutely perfect black, but it's got nothing I use because we're only going to be using out the dots of the eyeballs. We've also put some of the green icing into a piping bag, and we'll be showing you why a little bit later on. I think you're going to like it. So we're going to make 5 pumpkins, and then we're going to use the rest of the donuts to make some eyeballs. So should we get started with the pumpkins first? Yeah? Yes. Okay, so the way we're going to do it, and Isabella's going to be doing this, we're going to be taking our donut hole. You want that one? Yeah? We're going to take our donut hole, we're going to take our fork. Of course it is. So what we're going to do is stop! You don't want to get your hands dirty, so what you're going to do is you're going to take the end of a spoon or any utensil you've got that's got a thin end to it, and we're just going to poke it in the end, and that way we can decorate the bowl without touching our hands. We're going to make a little hole into the donut, but you're not going to see it later and you'll see why. That's it. Plop it all on, try and get an even layer all over so you can't see any of the donut underneath. So when you've covered it and you've got a nice even layer on there, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add the lines that you have in a pumpkin. So you want to do a line from the top down to the spoon. Look at that. So if you have any little bits sticking out, you can just use the knife. Just press them down. Then what we're going to do is we're going to put this onto a baking tray. You're not already ready, aren't you? We're going to put it onto a baking tray, push it off, so you'll have the hole at the top, but we're going to cover it up with a bit of green frosting so it's going to look like a stalk on the pumpkin. Okay guys, so we're going to do the next 4 pumpkins now and then we'll go on to the eyeballs, okay? To do the eyeballs, it's going to be the same principle. So we're going to coat the donut hole in the regular coloured frosting. Okay guys, so to do the eyeballs, it's going to be the same principle. So we're going to coat it first in the regular coloured icing, and we're then going to add the colours of the eyes and the black for the dot. So do you want to do them? Yeah, of course you do. Okay guys, so as you can see they're all finished, and like I said, this is just a bonus episode. We've got our main episode coming tomorrow where we're going to be making something I really think that you're going to like. So we're going to be using these pumpkins, yeah, and we're going to be using these eyeballs, and you're going to find out why tomorrow. So as always, thank you so much for watching another episode of Isabella's Kitchen. We've had a lot of fun making these, haven't we? You've been poking your finger in there, haven't you? Yeah, cheeky. And make sure that you send us your pictures as well, so if you're making any kind of use of your donut holes for Halloween, if you want to make any spooky spiders or any spooky pumpkins or eyeballs or skeleton heads, just let us know. Just send us your pictures with your name, where you're from. Yeah, and bats as well. Brilliant. Yeah. Why don't we do bats? What we were thinking. And goats for Halloween. So send us your name, let us know where you're from, let us know what you've made, and there's a great chance you might be getting your picture shown in one of our future videos. So check us out on Instagram, it's isabellas.kitchen.adventures. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.